Today, we're going to talk about a loan forbearance. Everyone's going through financial difficulty. Well, not everyone. Let's just say a lot of people are going through financial difficulty during the coronavirus. You've got some hard decisions to make concerning your finances, what bills to pay, what not to pay. You got to eat during all this as well. You've got children you got to take care of. Some of us still have to pay for child care. There's a plethora of reasons to look at possibly doing a forbearance and, deciding whether or not it's for you. What is a loan forbearance? A loan forbearance is just a pause in your payments. The bank will allow you to not make a payment for 3-6 months, depending on your needs. Month 1, you make no payment. Month 2, you make no payment. Month 3, they'll still say no payment. Month 4 comes along, they want month 1, 2, 3, and 4. Can you afford all those payments on month 4? Are you disciplined enough to save those payments for month 1, 2, 3, and month 4? Are you still employed? Will you have a job at the end of the quarantine? Will some other emergency come up during this forbearance period that you'll need to use those mortgage payments for? Now, I'm not here to make the decision for you as to whether or not you should get a forbearance. Just giving you some food for thought about the impact of your decision. Don't let your friends, your family, your neighbor, other people in your circle that think they know your finances, don't let them influence your decision, and don't you base your decision on someone else's path. A forbearance doesn't mean that the bank is just going to forget about it and not ask you for their money. They're just delaying the payments to a future date when everything will come due at that future date. Now, with that being said, we don't know how long the quarantine is going to last. If at the end of 3 months we're still in quarantine, apply for an extension to your forbearance. If at the end of 3 months the quarantine has been lifted and the economy's gotten back to normal, if you're in a position to apply for forbearance and still save money, please make those payments. If you were not in a position to be able to save money or you were out of work altogether, then apply for a deferment. See if your bank will allow for a modification. And a forbearance is not an elimination of debt. It is not a forgiveness of debt. A forbearance is only allowing you to set aside the payments for a period of time, in this case until the economy gets back up and running, without having to worry about the impact on your credit, because during a forbearance there is none. That being said, I look forward to talking to you guys more about the real estate market and how I can help you find your future home or list your current property.